Have you been struggling with hair breakage, dry hair, thinning edges, or hair that just refuses to grow? What if I told you that 3 simple ingredients sitting right in the front of you could help support healthier, stronger looking hair natural? Today, I am sharing 3 ingredients my hair absolutely love: Guava Leaves, Cloves, and Rosemary. Those ingredients are popular in natural hair care because they are rich in plant compound that can support a healthy scalp, reduce breakage, improve moisture retention, and create a better environment for healthy hair growth. And the best part, they are affordable, easy to find, and simple to use. So stay with me to the end because I am going to show you exactly how to make this powerful hair growth spray, step-by-step guideline. Now listen carefully. Let me tell you why hair breaks so easily. Many people focus on only hair growth, but here is the truth. The problem is not always that your hair is not growing. Sometimes your hair is growing, but it keeps breaking at the same rate. That is why your hair never seems to get longer. Now, here are the common causes of breakage: dry hair, weak strands, poor scalp health, excessive manipulation, and lack of moisture. Now, this is why this recipe come in. It will help you to fix those problems and support faster hair growth all at the same time. So let's start with guava leaves. Guava leaves are widely used in traditional hair care routines. They are rich in antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds that may help support scalp health. Many people are using guava leaves because they believe they help reduce excessive shedding and improve the appearance of thicker, healthier hair over time. Guava leaves are also known for helping the scalp feel cleansed and refreshed. Our next ingredient is cloves. Cloves are one of the most popular ingredients in natural hair care. They are rich in antioxidants and contain compounds that can help support a healthy scalp. Many people enjoy using cloves infused treatment because it helps to stimulate blood circulation and also make your scalp to feel fresh. Cloves are often included in hair routine focused on reducing breakage and supporting stronger looking hair. Now, moving on to our final but not the least of our ingredients is rosemary. Rosemary has become one of the most talking about herbs in natural hair care. It's commonly used in scalp treatment because it may help support healthy hair growth when used consistently. Many people also love rosemary because it helps create a healthy scalp environment and leave the hair feeling fresh and clean. Now, when combined with guava leaf and cloves, you are getting a powerful blend designed to support healthy looking hair and promote faster hair growth. So now let me show you the perfect measurement for this great powerful hair growth spray. We need 1 full hand of your leaf, guava leaf, either fresh or dry one. Anyone you have available, make use of it. So just wash it very well to remove dirty and impurities. After washing it, bring a clean pot. Then transfer your leaf inside the pot. Then the next ingredient is the cloves. Measure 1 tablespoon of your cloves. If you have the powder one, you can also use it. Still 1 tablespoon of it, okay? Now the next one is the rosemary. If you have the fresh rosemary leaf, use it, or the dry one, use it. So for me, I'm using dry one. I also use 1 tablespoon of my dry rosemary leaf. Then put all these 3 ingredients inside a clean pot. So the next thing now is pour in water. Make sure the water you're using is very clean water, okay? You can use 2 cups of water or 3 cups of water depending on the type of the cup measurement you are using, okay? So the next thing now is to bring it to a boil. To boil this, okay, just need to boil this only but 10 to 15 minutes. Do not boil it more than 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And while boiling it, make sure you use very low heat to boil it. Do not allow your heat to be very high. So once my burn up to 10 minutes, I off the gas immediately. So this is the next step. You can just choose to cover it up and keep it to infuse for extra 8 hours. Yes, but for me, I transfer mine inside my jar container, then put all the leaf and all the ingredients inside the jar container with the water that will already boil out. Then I'll cover it up and keep it in a cool dark place to infuse for extra 8 hours before I can go ahead and use it. So if you're also boiling yours, make sure you also allow it to infuse extra 8 hours. You can just cover the pot and keep the pot aside. Okay, you don't need to go this through process by transferring it into a jar again. Just cover the pot and keep it the same cool dark place. Once it's 8 hours later, this is what we have. The initial time, the water is not too dark, but after 8 hours, you see how darker this water is. This water look more potent, more effective, more powerful than the initial day. So if you want this recipe to work more effectively, to get all the nutrients from these 3 powerful ingredients, I like to infuse for 8 hours. You can even leave it overnight or 12 hours, okay, to get all the nutrients of this ingredient out. Okay, do not skip this part. If you really want this recipe to work so amazing, don't boil it 10 minutes or 15 minutes then you start using it immediately. Give it more time to infuse for better results. This part play a huge role. It determines how effective your recipe will be, okay? Because more the recipe is potent, more better results you got on that product, okay? Do not forget this. It's very, very important. So the next thing now is to bring a bowl and a shifter to collect my powerful herbal tea spray. This is the solution spray you have been looking for. Guys, I always say this, you don't need to break the bank before you can grow your hair. Those simple things in your kitchen can help you to grow your hair. Those leaves around you can help you to grow your hair. We are blessed with natural things, okay? Just know the correct way to combine them and use them and stay consistent with them. You see the crazy magic start happening on your hair. You don't need thousands of dollars money to grow your hair. You don't need thousands of naira to grow your hair. We are blessed with natural things. Use them correctly and you see the huge transformation start happening under your hair, okay? So now let me demonstrate to you how to use this to achieve that better result, because if you apply this wrongly, you will not get that good result you're supposed to achieve. So this application matters a whole lot. The same way the preparation matters, that's the same way the application matters. They work hand to hand. If you can prepare your recipe the right way, apply it the right way, definitely you'll see good results with that product, okay? So now, how to use it for better results? Very simple but very, very effective. First, make sure your hair is not dirty, because this is not a rinse out treatment. Use it as a leave-in treatment. It's very, very important you do so, okay, for more better results. So spray this directly on your scalp, okay, and also your hair strands. The next thing you will do immediately you spray this on your hair is to massage your scalp at least 3 to 5 minutes. A lot of people skip scalp massage. Scalp massage plays a huge role. Make sure you learn how to massage your scalp if you really want to get better results in any product you use on your hair. Scalp massage matters a whole lot. You don't need to skip this part, okay? It's very, very important. So now also pay special attention to those your tiny areas, your edges, any problem area you want to regrow, you want to solve the problems. Apply the treatment in those problem areas. After applying it, then follow up with your leave-in conditioner, your oil and your hair butter to see in the moisture. Like as I said, this is not a razor treatment, it's a leave-in treatment. So you need a good leave-in conditioner, your hair butter and a good hair growth oil to keep the moisture in, okay, so that this spray can sit longer on your hair, give you that better results. So for usage, use this spray 3 to 4 times per a week, okay? For better results, combine it with consistent scalp care, gentle hair handle, proper nutrition, and good hydration. Remember, healthy hair growth takes time and consistent is the key, okay? Please, important information: before you use any new hair treatment, always do a patch test first. If you feel any irritation, please discard it, okay? And the natural hair remedies can support healthy hair care, but results vary from person to person, okay? Consistency is always more important than expecting instant results, okay? Now tell me in the comment section below, which of those 3 ingredients have you ever tried before? Is it the guava leaf, or the cloves, or the rosemary? Let me know in comment section below, okay? So guys, if you enjoyed today's recipe, do not forget to give the video a very big thumbs up, okay? Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notification so that you not miss my new upload videos, okay? Because I post powerful natural hair growth recipe every week. So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.